Hi, this is Guillermo from the Jungle Hub. Today I want to do a follow-up on the topic of whether or not sounds can heal. And of course they can, because sounds are frequency and frequency heals. But it's not about the physical aspect of the frequency that is what heals. So the particular exact frequency is not important. What is important is what is imbued in that frequency that we are singing, that we are listening to, that we are meditating to. What are we imbuing into that frequency? Right? If you imbue any tone or any music with good intentions, right? In healing intentions, loving intentions, then of course the sound will heal. In other words, we get to choose what we want to imbue. It's not like we are subject to if the frequency is bad or is good. We're not subject. We decide what we imbue, in what frequency we are. And that's what gets reflected and augmented through the frequencies, that is the sound that you're meditating to, listening to.